Are you nervous about getting started with midterm rentals? Not curious, not interested, but actually nervous. If that's you, you're not behind. Almost everyone who succeeds in this space starts exactly where you are. Overwhelmed, unsure, scared of making the wrong move. I want to slow everything down. I'll show you why you feel stuck, what actually matters, and how people like you get started without stress. Here's what nobody talks about. Most people aren't scared of midterm rentals. They're scared of messing it up. They're thinking, what if I choose the wrong location? What if I don't have enough money? What if my house isn't nice enough? What if I don't know how to design it? What if something breaks and I don't have a handyman? And when all of those questions stack up, you freeze. That is called analysis paralysis. That's when people watch videos, save posts, and take notes, but never start. Here's what's interesting though. Most people we talk to already own a house. They're not starting from zero. They just don't know how to use what they already have. So let me say this clearly. You don't need confidence to start. You need clarity. Confidence comes after action, not before it. Most successful hosts started nervous. What changed was they stopped guessing. You don't need a big house. You don't need perfect design. You don't need a lot of cash. You need the right setup. Let me simplify this. Location beats everything. Location. Nurses care about being close to work. Hospitals, clinics, medical centers, all of the above. If your property is close to work, you're already ahead. Less is better. You don't need Pinterest perfect furniture. You don't need expensive decor. Nurses want clean, quiet, comfortable, and functional. Too much furniture creates more problems, not more value. Start small. Start with your current house or a small home near a hospital. Starting small lowers risk and lowers stress. Now let's address the big fears. Fear number 1, I don't have a lot of money. Well, you don't need a full renovation. Most setups are simple and strategic. Fear number 2, I don't know how to design. That's normal. Not everyone is a designer. That's why clear steps exist. You follow the process. Fear number 3, what if I don't have a handyman? You don't need one on day 1. You build your team as you go. Fear number 4, should I allow pets? Well, now that's a business decision. It's not a deal breaker. None of these fears stop progress. They just need decisions. Here's the truth. People fail when they guess. People succeed when they follow systems. Systems remove overthinking, stress, and confusion. When you know what to do first, what to ignore, and what matters, everything feels lighter. So if you're nervous about getting started, let me tell you this. You are not late. You are not underqualified. You're just early. If this helped you, and subscribe so we can keep breaking this down. And if you're ready for guidance, instead of guessing, click the link in this description. You don't need more courage. You just need a clear